Got the chairs back from the powder coater, all nicely done up. They sandblasted them and powder coated them, both sides again, underneath everything. So those were the ones that were in a estate sale. I'll leave a link to the video of when I got them in the description below. So anyway, just a short video on the chairs that I'm going to have in the backyard. I'm going to put them kind of where that park bench is back there, and that way they can be a little more. That park bench is too hard to move around the yard when there's company, and these will be easy to move around the yard for when we need some more seating. So just a little update on the chairs. Again, if you enjoy my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.